Lyriq doesn't just turn heads, it helps you steer away from potential danger, thanks to a suite of standard driver assistance features like blind zone steering assist. This advanced system helps you stay safely in your lane. To activate it, press the Lane Keep Assist button on the left side of the instrument panel. Additionally, if a vehicle is detected in your blind spot, warning symbols will appear on the exterior side mirrors. These symbols will also flash if the turn signal is activated. Finally, if you're in the process of changing lanes and a vehicle is detected in the lane you're entering, the system will provide an urgent steering wheel turn. But remember, blind zone steering assist is an alert function only and does not continuously steer. The driver must maintain complete control of the vehicle. For complete details, see your vehicle owner's manual.